right, hello. In this video, what we're going to work on is we're going to work on division to rewrite rational expressions. This is going to help us with graphing, and actually the ones that we're going to do for graphing are going to be a lot more simpler than these. But when you look at this problem, the first thing you need to notice is that your divisor is simple. That means it's degree 1 and the leading coefficient is a 1. So you need to set this equal to 0 and find a root. It means x equals -10. So you're going to use a -10 as the root. And then you need to check the degrees. This one is degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, degree 0. None of the degrees are missing, so we can go ahead and use the coefficients. So we bring down the 1. This is a -10, -4 to 40, -100, and a 2. And you need to always remember that this is the remainder. This is degree 0, degree 1, degree 2. So the polynomial that remains from this is going to be 1. I'm using m. I'm not sure why I was going to write m. X squared, because it's degree 2, -4x plus 10. And we have a remainder of 2, so we need to put that over the divisor, which is x plus 10. All right, in this example, one of the things that you notice is that your divisor is not simple. So yes, you can still use synthetic division and you're going to get a fraction, or we can use long division. So we're going to go ahead and use long division. So for long division, we have 9a plus 6 All right, so then you need a number. So you want to know how many times does 9a go into 9a cubed. So on the side, you do 9a cubed over 9a. That gives us a squared. So this is a squared, right? So then we do a squared times the 9a plus 6. We get 9a cubed plus 6a squared. And when we write it underneath our dividend, we need to change the negative signs. This is minus 9a cubed minus 6a squared. And this is 54a squared, and we bring this down. All right, so then we need to ask ourselves, how many times does 9a go into 54a squared? So you write 54a squared over 9a, and that's a 6a, right? So then we do plus 6a, and then we have to multiply it by the 9a plus 6. So that's 54a squared plus 36a. And when we write it over here in the division problem, we have to change the signs. So this is minus 54a squared right? This cancels, so that's 54 minus 54a, right? Yeah, 40, 50, 54. And then we have to bring down the minus 40. And then once again, you need to ask yourself, how many times does 9a go into negative 54a? So negative 54a over 9a gives us negative 6. The a's cancel. And then we need to multiply this negative 6 by the 9a times 9a plus 6. All right, and remember that when we transfer this over here, we have to change the sign. So it becomes a positive 54a and a positive 36. Right, so we have a negative 4 left over. So the final answer is going to be this and this. So it's a squared plus 6a minus 6 minus 4 over 9a plus 6.